Yo, what up? I hope everybody's doing well. I wanted to get on here and basically just do a small upload of me doing a photo walk with the X100VI. This is my first photo walk with it. I normally use photo walks to kind of blow off some steam or just get some exercise and some steps in. Um, Basically, I titled it "Whole Bunch of Trash Photos," but of course, I think that they're decent photos. And this is also my first time using the Action 4. So it's not going to be a lot of talking in this video. It's just going to be me as if I'm doing a photo walk with the headphones on. I always encourage people to take a photo walk. It's basically as if you're getting your reps in. So enjoy. And that about wraps it up. I'm pretty much walking home at this point. I'm probably going to be uploading more videos like this, maybe with my face actually in the videos. Once I probably get a attachment or whatever to hold the DJI. But this is my first time kind of using this setup, so I just wanted to get an idea of what it could do. Also, right now enjoying the X100VI, so that's another thing. Please feel free to like, subscribe, share, comment on the video, and just give me some thoughts. I appreciate you guys. Peace.